Hello primary 6. Today we take a new lesson, proportion division. Lesson 4, proportion division. What is the meaning of proportion division? يعني proportion division is to divide anything. يعني بنعمل divide anything, money, land, weights according to given ratio. This is the importance of this lesson. We divide our divisions. Divide anything. طب remarks in net profit or loss distributed proportional to the capital paid. Capital may be in the form of money. يعني الكابيتال paid بتبان بالظبط زي الماني. From examples we can explaining what is the meaning of proportional division. If we have two persons started a business, the first paid 5,000 and the second paid 8,000. At the end of the year, the net profit was 3,900. Find the share of each one. From the last lesson, we studied how we can write the ratios between two numbers and should be simplifying. Then first to second. هو هنا ratios كانت between what? Between first to second. احنا قلنا ان proportional division we divide يعني numbers. Money, like this money, this is the first and second 5,000 to 8,000. Before start answer should be simplified to numbers. Divide by divisible by thousands, it will be 5 to 8. Then X and Y. طيب هو هنا بيقول ايه net profit. What is the meaning of net profit؟ يعني we add، يعني هو حط المكسب اللي هو between اللي هو الفيرست paid والسكند paid كان 3,900 3,900. Then should be sum أو additions between الفيرست first person and second person. Then 5 plus 8 equal 13. 5 plus 8 equal 13. Okay? Then now we can find X value اللي هو first paid and the Y value by multiplications or cross multiplications. 3,900 times 5 over 13, it will be 1,500. Y 8 times 3,900 over 13 equal to 2,400. Okay? طيب, another example. If we have 3 persons set up a company, عايزين يعملوا شركة. At the end of the year, the profit كان المكسب بتاعهم has been divided the share of the first 5 over 3 the share of the second. What is the meaning of 5 over 3 share of the second؟ يعني 5 to 3 يبقى الفيرست 5 والسكند 3 يبقى 5 to 3 first to second. The share of the second 4 over 3 the share of the third. If the share of the first is more than the share of the third by 8,250 pounds. What is the share of each of them? What is the meaning of share of more than a primary 6? We studied before. What is the meaning of this word more than? Remember with me. Then should be write this question by proportional divisions and the ratio first to second and third. We have 3 persons. The first can 5 to 3, the ratios between them. The second 4 to 3, يبقى هنا في 4 to 3. After we multiplications like that we studied before, 5 times 4 equal 20. 3 times 4 equal 12. 3 times 3 equal 9. Then the ratios between 3 persons 20 to 12 to 9. The first to second to third, and the difference. This is my questions. What is the meaning of more than? Like difference. But difference between what? Between which person? هو هنا قال ايه? The first is more than the share of third. يبقى between the third and the first. طيب الثيرد كانت الريشيو 9 والفيرست 20. then greatest number minus smallest number. طيب 20 minus 9 equal 11. then this is the ratio 20 to 12 to 9 to difference 11. Then we put 8,250 under 11. Okay, then x, if we want to find the first person, multiplication 20 times 8,250 over 11. Why? 12 times 825, 8,250 over 11 equal 9,000. Z 9 times 8,250 over 11. Then the answer it will be 6,750 pounds. Okay, يبقى هو ده what is share of each of them. خلاص يبقى كل واحد this is a share of each one. Another example. A father distributed 6,300 among his 3 sons. If the share of the first was third of the money, and the ratio between the share of the second and the third is 3 to 2. دايما نخلي بالنا الريشيوز between what. هو قال لي share of what? Share of the second and third. طيب calculate the share of each of them. Okay, calculate the share of each of them. Okay, I will repeat the questions. طب هو فين الفيرست؟ يعني ده الريشيوز between السكند and third. طب فين الفيرست؟ طيب المفروض ان الفاذر distributed 6,300 among his 3 sons. If the share of the first was a third money. يعني ايه third money؟ يعني 1 over 3 time الايه التوتال amount of money يعني. اوكي؟ او التوتال ايه التوتال money. طيب then الفيرست خد نصيبه اللي هو كام؟ third times 6,300 equal 2,100. طيب ايه الريمايندر اوف ماني اللي هو 6,300 minus 2,100 equal 4,200. Then the remainder money distribute between the second and third. Then 3 to 2. Okay, we want the sum between them. Okay, equal 4,200. After we multiplications 3 times 4,200 over 5 equal 2,520. And why? 2 times 4,200 over 5 equal 1,680. Okay. Another example. A man lived a piece of land. Its area is 17 kirats. He recommended 5 kirats of the area of specialized for a building of orphanages اللي هو ملجأ أيتام, and the rest is divided among his son and his daughters in the ratio 2 to 1. Calculate the share of each of them. Please, your primary 6 before your answer, read the questions many times. طيب man lived the piece of land كانت كام؟ 17 كيرات. هو recommended عليها 5 كيرات to building orphanages اللي هو ملجأ أيتام, and the rest يبقى الباقي بقى the rest remainder divided among what? His son and his daughter, between 2. His son and his daughter 2 to 1. Calculate share of each them. Okay. The remainder 17 minus 5 equal 12. يبقى الريشيوز between the son and daughter 2 to 1. Then the sum between them احنا عايزين نعرف كل واحد خد كام. طيب equal 3 x and y and 12. The x equal 2 times 12 over 3 equal 8 kirats. Y equal 1 times 12 over 3 equal 4 kirats. Okay, this is the last questions for this lessons, primary 6. I hope everyone can understand. I think this is very easy lessons. If you can't understand, you can repeat this video many times. Thank you for good listening, primary 6.